Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you this gele. So I tied this gele for one of my models. Most of you request me tying it on my head, so that is what I'll be doing for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. So guys, today's tutorial I'll be speaking Yoruba and English together because some of you guys request me speaking Yoruba. So I'll be speaking Yoruba and English for you guys today. So let me know at the comment section below if you want me to be speaking Yoruba and English together, me doing my tutorial for you guys. So see you guys next time. Bye. Today, so for this gele ratio guys is 50-50 ratio. So it's 50-50 ratio. So guys, I've already divided my gele. So you know the way we used to do our pleats now. So I'll be creating like 3 pleats. So I'll be creating 3 pleats. So 1, 2. So after that I'll be placing it on my head. So guys, if you are tying your gele, you have to take your time. Don't be in a hurry to tie your gele because you may not achieve what you really want if you are in age. So you have to take your time tying the gele. So I'm through adjusting my pleats now. So let me show you guys the back. So after that guys, so mo ti adjust gele mi tán. So nísìnyí báyìí mo fẹ́ máa roll lọ́wọ́ gele náà. So now I'll be rolling the hand of the gele. After that I'll be bringing it back to the front like this. So bí mo ṣe ti gbé padà wá síwájú báyìí, so màá fi office pin màá fi dì mú ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ń bí. Torí tá bá fẹ́ gbélé lórí ẹ̀ ó lè máa yọ. So nísìnyí báyìí mo fẹ́ fi office pin mo fẹ́ fi dì mú lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ń bí. So what I'm saying now guys is that I want to use office pin to hold it down here because if I want to bring this one on top of it, this one may be removing, so we don't want that now. So I'll be using my office pin now to pin it down there. So that is what I'll be doing now. So guys, you know most of my gele that I tied for you guys that I do on my tutorial is most of the gele that I do see on Instagram, because I know most of you may be wondering that I did not do makeup. Guys, I sweat a lot. So that is why I do not, except if I'm going to parties, that I do apply like makeup, much makeup on my face. But for my everyday makeup look, it's just my powder and my lip gloss. That is all. So mo wípé ṣàṣàyàn máa wò wípé mi ń ṣe makeup sójú. ìdí tí mi ṣe ń really ṣe makeup sójú ni pé mo máa ń làágùn gan o, so guys, look at what I'm doing now. So the other hand now, I'm bringing it, I'm placing it on top. Just look at what I'm doing now. Let me show you guys again. So guys, look at what I'm doing now. Here's the gele. So what I'm doing, I'm using this hand now, I'm bringing it on top of the round that we created before. So guys, if we are placing it on top of the round, we are not bringing it like this though. We are putting it at the back of the round that we created down before. So nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni wípé eléyìí tí a wá gbé lórí èyí báyìí, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, a gbé lórí eléyìí o, ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ òun là wá gbé sí, torí tá bá ti fi lè gbé sórí ẹ̀ àti bà beauty gèlè yẹn jẹ́ nìyẹn. So what I'll be doing now, so guys, just look at what I'm doing carefully now. So I'll be packing the hand as if I want to tie my gele. So guys, look at what I'm doing now. So I'm bringing it back, now using office pin again to pin it down. I'm using office pin now again to pin it down at the back here. Guys, after doing that, I will now go back now to start adjusting my gele. So guys, you have to take your time. So now I'll be shifting it back a little bit. So guys, here's the finished look. And here is the back. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, bí mo ṣe tún lè wé fún yín tí ẹ tún lè understand mi ni mo ṣe ṣe yìí o. So but ẹ bá ṣàwọn gèlè yẹn ni ẹ̀yin ni kẹ́ take time ní tẹ́ bá ń wé. Don't be in a hurry to tie your gele, guys. You know, I'll be almost my video I do say it, don't be in a hurry to tie your gele. Since you are the one tying it by yourself, you have to take your time to tie it. So please let me know at the comment section below if you want me to be speaking Yoruba and English together, me doing my tutorial, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, my Facebook, and you can even add me on WhatsApp for you to send me any Gele tutorial you want me to do for you guys. So see you guys next time. Bye.